amine reaction. On heating chloroform with primary amine and alcoholic KOH. Carbyl amine is formed which has very unpleasant smell. Which has very unpleasant smell. Please, primary amine means ethyl amine from aliphatic side, and from aromatic side it is phenyl, it is aniline. The formula of ethyl amine is C2H5NH2. What is the formula? C2H5NH2. It is ethyl amine. What is the formula of chloroform? CHCl3 plus 3KOH, potassium hydroxide, 3KOH. On heating, what we will get? Ethyl isocyanide. The formula of ethyl isocyanide is C2H5N single bond coordinate, double bond covalent C plus 3KCl plus 3H2O. In the case of aniline, the formula of the aniline is C6H5NH2 plus CHCl plus 3KOH. Heating C6H5N single coordinate bond double covalent bond C plus 3KCl plus 3H2. So this is all about carbyl amine. What is the main thing from which you can detect that it is carbyl amine reaction is carbyl amine has very unpleasant smell. It has very unpleasant smell. Please revise it so that we can conclude the lecture of first part. I am repeating the Sandmeyer reaction. When a diazonium salt solution, C6H5N2Cl. On N you will have to put positive sign, whereas on Cl you are going to put negative sign. Is added to a solution of cuprous halide dissolved in corresponding halogen acid. What will happen? Diazo group is replaced by halogen atom. Diazo group is replaced by halogen atom. So reaction will be C6H5. Draw the benzene on the top right, N2Cl. On N, put the sign of plus, and on Cl, put the sign of minus. Plus CuCl, plus on arrow, write down HCl in the presence of HCl. What will you obtain? Chlorobenzene plus nitrogen plus CuC. If we take instead of Cl Br, then the corresponding is CuBr, and on the arrow you will have to write HBr. So what we will get in here? Simply bromobenzene, C6H5Br plus CuBr plus N. So this is your Sandmeyer reaction. The second reaction which we learned, carbyl amine reaction. Carbyl amine reaction. In this reaction, on heating, chlorophore with primary amine and alcoholic KOH. Carbyl amine is formed, which has very unpleasant smell. And here, what is the formula of chloroform? CHCl. What is the formula of primary amine? It may be aliphatic or it may be aromatic. In case of aliphatic, it is ethyl. In case of aromatic, it is Ni plus CHCl3 plus 3 KOH in the both cases. And on heating, we are getting C2H5N coordinate bond, double covalent bond, and this is ethyl isocyanide. In case of aromatic amine, it means aniline. The formula will be C6H5N single coordinate bond, double covalent bond, C plus 3KCl plus 3H2. So these are the two name reactions just we have learned and revised as many times as I can. Please try to revise them so that you will learn today itself. I am going to teach you after 10 or 15 minutes 2 more name reactions. And please remember, you will have to learn them today itself, so you will never forget them. If you just leave them and will wait for another 3-4 days, then it will be difficult for you to learn them for a long time. Okay.